Ready?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Always love a good B&M.
Yep.
Bucket list ride for me for years.
And you are getting your voice in the sun right now.
That's a cool view of Tempesto too. Oh, nice. Pantheon's running.
I got a nice loose snap on that. Clamshell. Oh, that's pretty dope. I'm stepping past That's actually a really dope interaction.
Yeah. That vial looks so much smaller and contained than I thought it was. That's really cool. Wow, this would be a fun ride. Here we go! Woo! Oh, I forgot. We do that in this one. Yeah! Let's go! That was so much fun.
That was like, that might be my number 4 after Nitro, Diamondback, and Raging Bull. Wow.
I'm happy.
Inside the rock.
Yeah, that was
90s B&M always good.
Yeah,
This is the first hyper. This is the first one.
I got faked out on that little hop before we go down. I was like, here we go!
There's a lot of random positives throughout it, which is a nice change of pace.
I like that big turnaround feeling. And it's just got a beautiful surrounding everywhere. That's my favorite part.
And strength of 5 road gods as you conquer Pantheon.
Oh boy, here we are.
Yeah.
Right into that.
That's a part. Wow. I was looking forward to that one. Oh, I love it.
Now you're gonna love what's going to happen in 2 seconds. Didn't I tell you? How about it?
Right in line with VelociCoaster, easily for me. That was those launches on that backward section. Holy mackerel! Definitely more interesting than the top two. Oh my gosh, that was incredible. But you,
Oh man.
I did too.
I'm gonna say top 20. I don't know, top 10, maybe. I don't know his take on VelociCoaster. I agree with that. Don't get me wrong.
that stall that you do felt way longer than VelociCoaster.
Oh yeah, no, I'll give you that.
Like, that felt so much longer. The snappiness of the turns. You got lots of ejector air timing around those like over underbank turns or over it, whatever those are when you go on the outside. Man, I love it. Definitely my favorite here so far. I've never watched a POV, so this is all new to me. I'm excited.
Here we go. And for me, for the first time in 2025, Verbolten.
Oh yeah.
For me, the first ever.
Welcome.
Woo!
It's all fine and dandy now, but we're taking a long turn, and we're going to pay for it now.
That's phenomenal.
Welcome back, Cotter.
Dude, that was awesome.
I had no idea there was a whole indoor section. I was like, what is going on?
I knew about the drop track, but I didn't know there was going to be a whole like crazy indoor section.
That's great.
In pitch darkness.
Oh man, yeah, that I didn't have any expectations, so that's crazy. That was, oh man. I can't wait for a night ride.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know. I knew it was like some courses, but I didn't know.
Yeah, that was the second drop track I've been on now after Haggard's. I had no idea that was gonna happen. I was like, are we gonna do a backwards section here? Is it that backwards launch or something? I was like trying to figure out, and then
Really fast, decent size drop, and go upside down.
To escape the hooks, please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left. Enjoy your rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
Hey, let's do it! Such a quick lift though. The new B&M rattle going on, but much better than Phoenix, and obviously Penguin Trek and all that shit.
Yes.
Wait, he rode before us? I didn't even know.
He did. Enjoy your Alpine adventure of Alpengeist.
Let's go! So they ain't lying, that mid-course does zap it, but they said that that's the second half. That's just like the finale.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what it seemed like to me. That first half was so incredible. So incredible.
It was so intense. The Cobra roll. Oh my
That's what I was saying. I was so excited for it. That literally exceeded all of my expectations.
It makes Hulk's Cobra roll feel like a baby Cobra roll.
Wow. My abs hurt from yelling so much.
I almost lost my voice.
Hey.
And as the calculate to your right, thank you for riding Alpengeist, and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens.
So this actually opened floorless.
Yep, they floorless the whole
Stand
time.
platform clear.
Now prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon. Bye-bye.
Alright, I wonder how familiar this is gonna feel.
This is already identical right here. Close your eyes and you feel like you're on T-Crow.
Verbolten house. Big Bad Wolf looks like a baby.
Yeah, it looks pretty far.
Wait, is there a second inversion on
Yeah, I think so.
Shake with us, I had that.
very familiar.
Yeah.
I like that way more than Griffon.
Why? It's essentially the same.
I feel like there's so much more sustained floater on that.
Well, the drop was better than Chica's. I'll give you that. I got a bit more airtime.
The second dive was straight up
but
just
the
as
rest of
crazy.
it just felt the same.
Like those little bumps, like I was getting floater on that. I was like, what the heck?
Ending guests, please lift up on your safety harness and exit quickly and calculate to your right. Thank you for riding Griffon and enjoy your rest of your day here at Busch Gardens. It's time to find the legendary Loch Ness monster.
Come on, Nessie.
I love that music tone. Look your right.
New team, welcome! We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found it. We're trying to find out what's right. Near the edge of the loch, but you won't get anywhere. So just to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast is in there. Nessie dear, it says here.
Alright, time to find them.
Wow, it's a nice little drop.
Yep.